Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to start with the first lesson of chapter 3, which talks about solving systems using tables and graphs. Okay. Now, when you have two or more related unknowns, you may be able to represent the relationship with a system of equations. If we have two equations, okay, or that have two variables, and they're somehow related to each other, so it's going to be a system of equations or a set of two or more equations. To solve a system of equations, find a set of values that replace the variable in the equation and make each equation true. So we're going to have like a linear system which has linear equations. Okay, that both of them, if you substituted the same values of x and y in them, you're going to find the same answer that makes or satisfies the equation. Okay, a solution of system is a set of values for the variable that makes all the equations true. You can solve a system of equation graphically or by using tables. Okay, so we have two types of solving the systems, either graphically or by using tables. Let's see how we're going to use them. Okay, so using a graph or a table to solve a system. What is the solution of this system? We're having two methods: graphing, using a graph, or using a table. Okay, let's start solving this together. So the first method we have is the graph method. Now this is called a system of linear equations because here we have two equations. The answer for x, or the solutions for x and the solutions for y, they're the same, and supposedly they have to be the same, and to make the equations true. So now we have to find the solutions for this equation. Now first of all, in first method, which is graphing, we're going to graph it by making a table of x values and the answers of y for the first equation. Then you're going to do the same thing for the second equation. So for the first equation, which is the line, the red line we have here, which is this equation, -3 plus 2y equals 8, and the blue line is 4x plus 2y equals -8. So first of all, we're going to graph it. Now how we're going to find the solution here? We're going to look at the point of intersection of these two lines, which is -4, -2. So the point of intersection, we have -4, -2. Now we have to see if this is the solution or not, okay, or if the equations we have here, are they true or not? We're going to substitute -4, -2 in the first equation, and the same thing we're going to do it for the second equation. So let's start substituting -4, -2 in the first equation. So it's going to be -3, x is -4, plus 2y, this is plus 2y, y, which is -2, equals 8. Is it equal to 8? This is the question. Is it equal to 8? So -3, -4 is going to be 12. 2 times -2 is going to be -4. Is it equal to 8? 12 minus 4 equals 8. So 8 equals 8. So the first solution is true. Let's check the second equation here. X is -4 plus 2, -2. Is it equal to 8? -4. 2 times -2, which is -4. Is it equal to 8? -4 equals, -8, sorry. -4 equals -8, which is equal to -8. So the second equation is also true. That the system is true, which also means that -4, -2 is the solution for this system. -4, -2. Let me just write it here again. -4, -2 is the solution for this system. Let's check our answers together. So here it's going to be graph the equation. As I said, you're going to graph the equation first, both of them. Then you're going to look at the point of intersection, and you're going to check the point by substituting the values into both equations. So So here they substituted, they got it true, and here also they substituted the point and they got it true. So this means that both equations are true. So -4, -2 is the solution of the system, as we got. Okay? Let's go for the second problem. Oh no, we're done with the first method here. We're having another method here, which is using tables. We're going to solve this using tables. How? Let's see. So using tables, it means we're going to change each equation first into the slope-intercept form. Do you remember what is the slope-intercept form? It's y equals mx plus b. So first thing, we're going to change it into the slope-intercept form. Let's go for the first equation we have here. Let's change this first. So it's going -3x plus 2y equals 8. So we're going to leave everything away from y. -3x is we're going to move to the other side, so it's going to be 2y equals 3x. Here it's negative, so when we move it, it's going to be positive, plus 8. Then y equals, we're going to divide everything by 2. So it's going to be 3 over 2x plus 8 over 2, which is 4. Okay? So this is the first equation. Let's go for the second equation here, which is x plus 2y equals -8. So we're going to move the x to the other side, so it's going to be 2y equals -x, -8. Y, we're going to divide everything by 2, it's going to be -1 over 2. X minus 8 over 2, which is going to be -4. So this is